Hey, if you want to customize your always on display on the Samsung Galaxy S23, first of all you have to go straight into the settings, so it will look like this. Then we have to scroll down and go into the lock screen, and now scroll down and click on the always on display. Now we are able to show always on display after tapping on the screen, get it always as scheduled. So here we can pick the start and the end time. Also, we can show it for incoming new notifications. In my case, I'm gonna select this one. Right here, we can change the clock style. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 different clock styles. So if you want to get this one, for example, with the calendar information, just select it. And here you can also change color of the captions. Then click down to confirm. But when you are here, beside the standard clocks, we can also get the image clock. So we can now go to our gallery, to the themes. Right now we'll be moved to the Samsung store, and here we can download the themes for the AOL display. So when you type free, you'll get the free themes that you can download. So let's say that I want to get this one. Click on the download. Now click apply and set clock and image. We can say with the image only. So click done. Then just go back. Click done. And here we can also hide or show the music information. And the same for the screen orientation, so we can switch between the portrait and the landscape. And here we can also turn on or off the auto brightness, but in my case I'm gonna turn it off, and I'm gonna set the maximum brightness of the always on display screen. And now when you lock your screen, as you can see, the always on display has changed, but it's really bad visible. So maybe it's time to turn on this automatic brightness, I guess. Okay, so it appears right here, but it's really bad visible into this lighting condition. But yeah, that's all for this video. Right now, please subscribe to my channel, and that's all. Bye bye.